you're just joining us, welcome. I'm Romina, corporate lawyer based in New Zealand, and I'm breaking down the legal battle between these two fitness influencers, Kayla Itsines and Cass Olholm, because of the two fitness apps that they've got. If you haven't already, watch parts 1 and 2 talking about the background to the claim and Kayla's claims against Cass, because this video is going to talk about Cass's counter statements. You might remember in part 2 where Kayla claims that Cass generated goodwill while she was working for Sweat, i.e. her on the Sweat website now, and she shouldn't be allowed to use the generated goodwill that Sweat has paid for to start her own business. Cass is not taking a bar of it. Get it? Basically, she's saying the restraint of trade period wasn't actually 12 months, but it was 6 months instead, meaning that her waiting until October, now 8 months since she left Sweat, is absolutely fine and the app should proceed. Cass goes further. In legal speak, she's saying all her success isn't due to Kayla and the Sweat app, but it's due to all her efforts, all her mahi that she put in beforehand. Cass says that her goodwill is generated from gaining the above qualifications and working in the fitness industry, and that all of her skills shouldn't be lumped together to a 2 to 3 period for when she did work at Sweat. Nor should all of those qualifications and accreditations go away just because she worked at Sweat. Cass's lawyer went on to say that enforcing this restraint of trade is enforcing a restriction on all her skills and all her experience that she's gained over the duration of her career, which then is argued to be even more unreasonable, in particular as Cass didn't use any confidential information of the Bikini body company or Sweat or Kayla to generate her business and the app. And Kayla's lawyers don't give up. Instead, they keep arguing, pushing for the enforcement of this restraint of trade, in particular because they suspect that Cass has redirected customers from the Sweat app and the entire company to Cass's new brand. Kayla's lawyers support this by quoting a comment by one of Cass's followers that says, "The time couldn't be more perfect for me. My Sweat subscription ends in October, so excited for this app." To be used as evidence that Cass is redirecting customers from the Sweat app to the new app. So having heard both sides, what do you think? Who's going to win in this one? Follow along for part 4 where I talk about the judge's preliminary hearing thoughts.